Alright guys, welcome back. I was halfway down the stairs, had to come back and make a video for you guys, so give me a like already, thanks. Okay, let's get started. So, finished working in the room down the hallway. And then I've worked in this room and these two rooms, so like 3 yesterday, 3 today. As you can see, we got more lights, smoke detectors. I got some more under counter lights. 42 inch, 24 inch, 24 inch, 24 inch. Some more plugs done. And then watch me forget this one. No, that one was already done, but there's a plug-in down there in that hole. Basically the same stuff as yesterday, more lights, smoke detector. Skipping all these for now. Hopefully the other guy will come back and do all these, but if not, I'd rather just do them in one day, just because I don't like getting sheetrock dust all over me. So I'd rather just do them all in one day and bang them out than have sheetrock dust on me for the whole week. So that's a little bit out of the way, just for speed's sake. Another light right here, but I'd rather have one bad day than 5. So anyways, another little fake can light right there for the shower. Basically the same thing for the other 2 units if you want to see it. Make sure to hit the bell if you want to be notified when I upload videos or go on live streams. It's a lot of fun doing live streams, so hopefully you participate in those and take advantage of that. Some more under counter lights. These need a 1 foot or 18 inch, but we don't have those. So some more plugs, and they got the vaulted ceilings with the smoke detector light. Some more lights, more smoke detectors. Still don't have the vanities. Lights, another can light, and one more room. I'll show you that. But I'm just ready to go home. It's almost like 4:30 probably, and I was only working till 4, so a little bit late on the lunch, so I was making that up. That one needs a piece of glass, but it's not here. These ones are like 1 foot under counter lights, which we don't have. That one needs a caterpillar. That one needs a spark ring. So still got to find those. Some more vaulted ceilings. Smoke detectors, lights. And then rearranged all these lights that were in the shower so I could finish the shower light right here. And then I got my ladder, so. Alright guys, I think that's gonna wrap her up. I'm ready to go home like half hour ago, so thanks for stopping by, I appreciate it. God bless, have an awesome rest of your day. Check out the description for social medias, and make sure to participate in the comments. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. God bless, have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.